Want to learn data science in 2025? Let's talk about it. So we are living in a data-driven world right now. And in 2025, we see that everything, most of the applications and softwares that we see in today's world are all data-driven. I'll take up a real-world example to explain you things. Take an example of Amazon. You shop on Amazon. After some time, Amazon will start showing you content which you like, and it will predict the items which you are about to purchase. Magic, right? Take another example. You're watching a movie on Netflix. Netflix will try to predict some movies which will be very appealing for you to watch, or it can predict a movie which you are about to watch in this week. Magic, right? Take another example. Take an example of YouTube. When you listen to a lot of music on YouTube, you see that whichever artist you watch more, their video comes up more on your YouTube. Or maybe you're watching some particular kind of video on YouTube. For example, you like gaming and you are watching gaming videos. More gaming videos will be shown to you from normal on YouTube. So what is it all about? You might say it as YouTube algorithm or something kind of like that. But how that YouTube algorithm is working behind? Magic, right? It feels like magic, but it is all about data science. So actually, data science is something which allows things to be data driven, and everything works on data in today's world. It allows us to play with the data. It allows us to deal with the data in a different way. It allows us to analyze the data, and it allows us to do many things on data. That is why data science is a very popular field in 2025, and you probably should learn it. So this is Ashank David, guys. Welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In this video, let's talk about how you can learn data science in just 5 steps in 2025. So you want to learn data science in 2025, and here are the 5 steps that I would suggest you to do if you want to learn data science very efficiently in 2025. Step 1, learn a programming language. See, data science is something which will do something with the data, and for that you need a programming language. Probably the best 2 programming languages that you have right now is Python and R. Now, I would suggest you to go with Python because Python is the go-to language where all the libraries for data science are already included, like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and so on. So you can go with Python and easily learn data science. If you want, it will be very easy for you to do it. Step 2, learn statistics. So it is very important for us to learn statistics and master statistics, learn concepts like mean, mode, median, standard deviation, and do hypothetical testing on the data, which makes the real sense of the data. It is very important for us to make more sense of the data that we are handling. The data is raw, so we need statistic to make it more sensible. Step 3, data visualization. Very important thing. Now, if you are playing with the data, if you're applying something on the data and you want to show it to your client or something, it is highly likely recommend to visualize the data. Visualizing the data means converting the raw data into graphs, into visual appealing things. For example, making a graph or making a pie chart or something like that of a graph. These are the common things that we usually see in Excel and things like that. But data visualization is very important. Ultimately, when you will show your data to your client, your data should be properly visualized and should be very easy to understand as well. Step 3, learn machine learning. Finally, this step is a very important step, and you should be doing machine learning, of course, because after doing all the science on the data that you're applying, where do you give the data? Where do you feed the data? The data is fed to a machine learning model, which learns from the data and performs some particular actions which can mimic a human intelligence. That is machine learning. And very importantly, here you can learn to create machine learning models and feed the data to understand more about the data and learn about it. So machine learning model allows you to, get into more fields like artificial intelligence and deep learning. Getting into NLP is also a very good thing about machine learning, and a lot of things you can do with machine learning. And you see that everywhere today, we are living in an AI world where we are living in the world of ChatGPT. We are living in the world of Gemini AI. We are living in the world of a lot of different types of AIs are there outside, and a lot of AI works on machine learning concept, of course. So we will create definitely another video for explaining what is machine learning and what is artificial intelligence. So stay tuned for that. Step 5, do projects. Very important step. If you want a real time experience on how everything works in data science, do projects, because projects allows you to understand about the problem in the real world, how to solve it, and what kind of things are different from other things. So basically, it will make you a more refined data scientist in future, and that's the real practice where you apply data science. So guys, these are the 5 steps that you should follow in 2025 if you want to learn data science. And definitely these 5 steps could change the way that you work in your field, in your computer science. If you want to upgrade yourself, or you want to go into another field of data science in 2025, it's the very good option to switch your job into or start with a new technology data science. We have already created a sum of very important data science videos. We have already explained NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. A little bit of Matplotlib is there. The link is going to give in the description below, and the link will also, I'll give you in the I button as well. So please watch those videos also if you want to start with data science, and we have already created some videos on it. So stay tuned, guys. And if you like this video, tell us in the comment section. If you have any doubts, you please tell us in the comment section also. I will try to clear your doubts as much as possible. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Coders Arcade. And don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates. Well, this is Ashank David signing off. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, probably with some new item, new concept very soon. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.